At Agappe Diagnostics, Robato Systems deployed a smart ESD Access Control solution to strengthen compliance and secure manufacturing operations. Robato Systems deployed a complete ESD Access Control solution featuring a flat barrier, RFID card reader, ESD footplate, ESD Combo Tester, and exit control. Together, these components automate compliance verification, control access to protected production areas, and help maintain a secure, reliable. Once compliance is verified, the flat barrier opens automatically, allowing only authorized personnel to access the protected production area. For exit, a simple button press activates the flat barrier, enabling smooth and controlled movement from the production area. The solution strengthens ESD compliance, improves process discipline, and supports a secure manufacturing environment. Robato Systems delivers innovative automation solutions that help manufacturers achieve greater compliance, improve productivity, and operational excellence.